falala, falala. Make her dey falala, falala. Blessings on blessings upon my life till they see me for valala. Mama say make I listen to Jah, make I no reason too far. Man, I been living too fast, make I dey chill and relax. Life has been good to me, I do not take this with levity. Nothing is new to me, but low-key I'm grateful for everything. The good and the bad and the ugly, all of the joy and the suffering. And then it dawned on me, all that I seek is in front of me. Isha Oluwa ko seni to ye, bí mo ṣe ṣe mi o mọ̀. I just stay on my grind every day.